Hi, my name is Rachel. Welcome to this journey through blockchains. Today we are going to study the chapter called Multi-Chain Development and Interoperability. In this session, we'll explore how blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, BNB Chain, Cosmos, and Polkadot connect with each other. We'll also look at interoperability challenges, bridges, cross-chain messaging, and developer tools that make multi-chain apps possible. By the end, you'll see why interoperability is vital for the blockchain future. The multi-chain ecosystem. The blockchain world is no longer about just one chain. Ethereum was the first big player, but now we have Solana, which is very fast, BNB Chain, which is scalable, and ecosystems like Cosmos and Polkadot that focus on cross-chain communication. Each chain has unique strengths. Some are cheaper, some faster, others more secure. Together, they form the multi-chain ecosystem where different blockchains coexist and complement each other. Why multi-chain matters. No single blockchain can handle the world's demand. For example, games often choose Solana for speed, while DeFi apps prefer Ethereum for security. Users and developers are spread across different chains depending on needs. This diversity is good for innovation, but it also creates fragmentation. That's why interoperability is so important. It helps bring separate ecosystems together. Interoperability challenges. Interoperability means blockchains being able to talk to each other, since each blockchain has different rules, languages, and consensus mechanisms. Connecting them is not easy. The main problem is trust. How can one blockchain be sure a message or transfer from another is secure? Without solving this, users risk losing funds or facing attacks. Bridges in blockchain. One common solution is bridges. Just like highways connect cities, blockchain bridges connect two chains. They let users move tokens, NFTs, or even data across chains. Some bridges are designed by the blockchain itself, while others are created by third parties. Bridges play a key role in connecting blockchains. Native bridges versus external bridges. Native bridges are part of the blockchain's original design, like Cosmos IBC or Polkadot's parachains. They are often more secure because they're built in. External bridges, on the other hand, connect chains that weren't designed to interact. They are flexible but depend on third-party validators, which can be risky. Both approaches have strengths and weaknesses. Cross-chain messaging protocols. Cross-chain messaging goes beyond just transferring tokens. It allows blockchains to exchange information with each other. Imagine a lending app on Ethereum wanting price data from Solana. That's possible with messaging protocols. Popular ones include IBC, Layer 0, and Wormhole, which form the backbone of cross-chain communication. IBC, inter-blockchain communication. IBC powers the Cosmos ecosystem. It provides a standardized and secure way for Cosmos chains to exchange tokens and data. Any chain that joins Cosmos can communicate with the others. This makes Cosmos one of the most connected ecosystems today. IBC is like a universal language that Cosmos chains speak. Layer 0. Layer 0 is another messaging protocol, but designed for independent blockchains like Ethereum and Avalanche. It uses relayers and oracles to pass messages securely. Developers can build one app that works across many chains without duplicating code. It's like having one app that runs everywhere. Wormhole. Wormhole started as a bridge, but became a messaging system. It connects Solana, Ethereum, and BNB Chain, enabling apps to move tokens, NFTs, and data. Wormhole has faced hacks, but continues improving. It shows both the opportunities and risks of cross-chain technology. Handling finality. Mismatches. A big challenge is finality mismatches. Different blockchains confirm transactions at different speeds. Solana finalizes transactions quickly, while Ethereum takes longer. If you move tokens too fast, you risk errors or rollbacks. Protocols must wait for secure confirmation before finishing transfers across chains. Meta-transactions. Meta-transactions make blockchain easier by letting someone else pay gas fees for you. Instead of holding ETH, SOL, or BNB, a relayer handles fees and later gets compensated. This improves user experience, especially for beginners. In multi-chain systems, meta-transactions simplify interaction. Gas abstraction. Gas abstraction expands on this by allowing users to pay fees in any token, not just the native one. Imagine paying Ethereum gas with USDC or Solana fees with BNB. This reduces friction and standardizes the experience. Developers use special contracts to make this possible across blockchains. Unified accounts across chains. Right now, users need different wallets for different chains, which is confusing. Unified accounts aim to solve this by allowing one single account to work across multiple chains. This makes onboarding easier since people don't need separate private keys. It could help millions join blockchain smoothly. Composability in multi-chain apps. Composability means applications can build on each other like Lego blocks. In a multi-chain world, this concept is even more powerful. For example, an NFT minted on Solana could be used in a DeFi app on Ethereum. Cross-chain composability unlocks new creative possibilities for developers. Liquidity, fragmentation issues. Liquidity is the availability of funds for trading and lending. When tokens spread across blockchains, liquidity becomes fragmented. This reduces efficiency because pools are smaller on each chain. Cross-chain solutions try to merge liquidity, but until solved, DeFi remains limited. Developer tools for multi-chain deployment. Building apps across chains is difficult, but developer tools make it easier. Frameworks like Hardhat, Foundry, and cross-chain SDKs provide templates and libraries. These help developers test, debug, and deploy apps faster. Tools save time and reduce errors, making multi-chain apps more practical. Real-world example, multi-chain wallets. A great example of interoperability is multi-chain wallets like MetaMask and Phantom. They let users store and transfer tokens across blockchains in one place. Behind the scenes, they use bridges and messaging protocols. For users, it feels simple, even though multiple chains are involved. The future of multi-chain. In the future, blockchains will be as connected as today's internet. Users won't realize which chain they're on because everything will feel seamless. Apps will combine strengths of different chains, speed from one, security from another. This connected future will create industries we can't imagine yet. Closing. We've explored multi-chain development and interoperability. We discussed ecosystems like Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos, and Polkadot, looked at bridges and protocols like IBC, Layer 0, and Wormhole, and studied challenges like finality mismatches and liquidity fragmentation. We also saw solutions like meta-transactions, gas abstraction, unified accounts, and multi-chain wallets. The challenges are big, but the future is bright. Thank you for joining me.